Good morning, my dear parents and my dear young children. This is Anila. I am your science teacher. I am here to teach you science. How are you all? I hope you are very fine. How are you all doing, ma? I hope you are doing well. Yes? Have you finished your breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast, ma? Did you drink milk? Yes, children, definitely you have to eat or taking good food. Okay, every day you have to take good food and drink milk. We need energy, okay, for doing lot of work, for listening the lessons also. Okay, so listen. What did I teach you yesterday? Once recall our green friends. Can you tell who are our green friends? Yes, you are right. Plants are our green friends. Why do we call them as green friends? They are green in color. They are friendly with us by giving whatever they have. Okay. They giving so many food materials, flowers, fruits, vegetables, pulses, nuts. Okay, so many kinds of things they are giving for us. That's why plants are our green friends. Okay, do you have any friends? Yes, I do have more friends, more best friends like you. Okay, coming to the lesson, Nana. Okay, our green friends. Plants are our green friends. Where do you find the plants and trees? They grow in everywhere, no? Like animals, plants grow in our surroundings. They grow on the land, they grow in the water, they grow on the mountains. Yes, children, they grow in the forest. Variety of plants and trees grow in the forest and grasslands and deserts and mountains, okay, and in the water. Yes, children. So plants grow in everywhere. We see variety of plants around us every day. Is it clear? Okay, plants are different sizes and shapes. Okay, now. So plants are also make our surroundings very colorful and beautiful and healthy. Do you have any plants and trees in our home? Come here, come see here. Okay, some plants are big. Yes, which plants are big? Trees are big. Some plants are small. Which plants are small? You don't know. I will tell you. Okay. So, plants are not same. They are different sizes. Okay. Different shapes. Means some plants are big, very big. Some plants are taller. Some plants are small and some plants are very small. Some are weak. Okay, na? But they grow on the land and they grow in the water. Okay, na? Now we will discuss about types of plants. Okay, na? So what are the different types of plants around us? Let us discuss about these. Okay, na? So depending on the size and type of stem. Okay, don't confuse. Depending on the size and type of stem, plants are of following types. Okay, now what are the different types of plants? They are trees. Okay, some plants are trees, some are shrubs, some are herbs, some are climbers, some are creepers. Now we will discuss about the trees. Okay, children, did you see the trees, Amma? While going to home or coming to school, we observe lot of trees near our school and in our homes also. Okay, now how are the trees, Amma? Are they small? Are they big? Yes, you are right. The big and tall plants are called trees. Okay, children, what type of plants are called trees? Very big and tall plants are called trees. Do you know what is the name of this plant? Is it a plant? No, it is a tree. Okay, now this is the big plant. Yes. So the big and tall plants are called trees. Okay, children, what type of plants are called trees? Very big and tall plants are called trees. I will show one picture for you, children. See this picture. See this picture, Nana. Monkeys, squirrels, okay na, and cow and birds, okay na. Some birds also build nest on the trees, okay children. So they find shelter, okay na, on the trees. Okay, they search the food near the trees. Observe this picture carefully. Okay, they sit on the branches of the tree. Okay na, squirrels, monkey, okay na, some birds also build nest on the top of the branches of a tree. Okay na. So see here one small cat also live under the tree. Okay, see this picture. Number of animals find shelter, okay na, on the trees. They find the food from the trees. Okay, see this see here, how are the trees? Very very big. Okay, see this picture. See this mango tree. Is it a mango tree? Is it a mango tree, Nana? Yes. Okay. What type of stem they have? Are they have thin stem or strong stem? They have strong and thick stem and woody stem. Is it clear? See this neem tree, ma. They have, see, actually trees have very strong and woody stem. Okay na. So they have very thick stem. Okay na. Strong and woody stem. Okay na. So see here, see this picture. Mango tree has very thick stem. Okay na. The stem of the tree is called trunk. Okay children. Trees have generally one main stem called trunk. Is it clear, ma? This is called trunk. Is it clear? Yes. Okay now. So trees have only one main stem called trunk. So what type of stem they have? Once again I will show picture for you. See these trees. Yes, they have very thick stem. Okay now. They have very thick and broad and woody stem. The stem of the tree is called trunk. Is it clear, Nana? What type of stem they have? They have very thick and broad and a strong stem. What is that? What is the name of that stem? Trunk. The stem of the tree is called trunk. Okay, na? And it also has one outer layer. Trees have outer layers, amma. That outer layer of the tree is called bark. Did you see? No. Yes, see here. This is the outer layer of the tree. This is called bark. Okay, na? Trees generally live many years. Okay, na? Banyan tree live many years. Mango tree, neem tree also live many more years. Okay, na? They have long lifespan. Okay, children. So, what are the examples of trees, amma? Neem, okay, banyan, mango, okay, sapota, apple, lot of gulmohar, coconut, so many trees we observe every day in our surroundings. Okay na? So what type of plants are called trees? Very big and tall plants are called trees. Okay, what type of stem they have? They have thick stem. They have very thick and woody stem, strong stem. The stem of the tree is called trunk. What is called bark? The outer layer of the tree is called bark. Is it clear? Next, shrubs. Okay, shrubs are medium-sized plants. Okay, shrubs are medium-sized plants. Okay, small plants. What are the examples of shrubs, amma? Actually, shrubs are flowering plants. Flowering plants. Every day we are observe so many kinds of flowering plants around us. Jasmine, you know well, jasmine and rose, bougainvillea, okay na, and pomegranate, okay, and nerium, okay na, and many plants. See here, what is the name of this plant, amma? Rose. Okay, what is the name of this? Jasmine. What is the name of this plant? Ganneru, nerium. Okay na? And one more plant. What is the name of this plant? Nandivardhana. Okay, bougainvillea, pomegranate, some crotons. Okay, Nandivardhana. Okay, na Ganneru. Okay, na jasmine and rose and bougainvillea. All these are all the examples of shrubs. How are they, ma? Are they grow taller? Are they grow taller? No. Okay, na. How are they, ma? They are small and they look like a bushy. So small and medium sized and bushy plants are called shrubs. Okay, how is the stem of shrub? See this rose plant, children. How is the stem of rose? It has thin stem, not a thick stem. It has thin stem, little woody stem. Is it clear? Okay, shrubs have number of stems. Okay, number of stems. This is one stem, this is the one stem. Okay na. So how are the stems, ma? Okay, shrubs have thin stem but a woody, little woody stem. Okay na. They have number of branches, children. Okay na. So see here, shrubs are medium sized plants with hard and woody stem. With hard and woody stem. Okay na. And they have many branches out near the ground. Okay, the stem of the shrub is but not hard. Okay na. Little bit woody stem. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it thick or thin? Thin. Okay na. It has thin stem. Okay na. But not hard. Okay. So shrubs have number of branches. Okay na. All flowering. Most of the flowering plants are shrubs. They are small and medium sized plant. They do live many years, but it is less than that of trees. Okay, children, is it clear? Small and bushy plants and medium sized plants are called shrubs. They have thin and little woody stem. They live few years, but not like a plants. Okay, children, what are the examples of shrubs, ma? Shrubs are bushy plants. Okay, what are the examples of shrubs? Okay, rose, okay, and jasmine, nerium, okay, Nandivardhana, and pomegranate, and bougainvillea. These are all the examples of shrubs. Okay, next we will discuss about the herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Very small plants are called herbs. Okay, they have tender stems. They have soft stem. They can easily break. Okay, see here, what is the name of this? Mint. What is the name of this? Coriander. Okay, what is the name of this? Grass. See, what is the name of this? Coriander. What is the name of this? Grass. These are all the examples of herbs. Okay, children. All vegetable plants are herbs. How are they, ma? Are they big? Are they taller? No. These are small plants. Okay, now very small plants are called herbs. What type of stem they have? See here. What type of stem they have? Is it strong? No. Are they have strong stem? No. They have very weak stem and soft stem, easily breaking. See? Yes, children. So herbs have soft and brittle stem. Okay, children. These are small plants. Is it clear? Okay, and they live only 1 or 2 seasons. That's why they are called seasonal plants. What are called seasonal plants? Herbs are seasonal plants. Why we call them seasonal plants? They live only 1 or 2 seasons only. Okay na? Actually we have 4 seasons. No. They live only 1 or 2 seasons. They live only 6 or 7 months only. That's why these plants are called seasonal plants. What are the examples of herbs? All vegetable plants like brinjal. I will show you brinjal. This is the seasonal plant, means brinjal. Okay na, it has also 1 or 2 branches. Okay na, and it has a thick, not a thick, thin stem. Okay na, so brinjal. Okay, and tomato, lady's finger. Okay, these are all the examples of herbs. Okay now, see here coriander and mint and grass. Okay, these are all the examples of herbs. What type of stem they have? They have very weak stem. Very weak stem. Okay, these are small plants and seasonal plants. Okay na, so herbs are seasonal plants. Okay, is it clear Nana? Tomorrow we will discuss about the climbers and creepers. Okay, what we discussed in the class once recall. Okay, types of plants. Plants are different types. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay children, trees are very big and tall plants. Okay na, so what type of plants are called trees? Very big and tall plants are called trees. They have thick and hard and woody stem. They live many years. Okay na, neem, mango, banyan, lot of trees we observe every day in our surroundings. Okay, shrubs. Shrubs are medium sized plants. So small and bushy and medium sized plants are called shrubs. They have thin and hard woody stem. They do live many years, but it is less than that of trees. Okay na? All flowering plants are shrubs. Hibiscus means China rose, rose, okay, and mehandi, henna, okay, and nerium, okay, jasmine, pomegranate, bougainvillea. All these are all the examples of shrubs. Okay, coming to the next, herbs. Herbs are small plants. Very small plants are called herbs. These are actually very small. Okay na, than that of trees and shrubs. Okay, they have soft and delicate stem. Okay, and they do live only 1 or 2 seasons. Okay, that's why herbs are called seasonal plants. Okay, what are the examples of seasonal plants? Brinjal, tomato, lady's finger. Okay na, and see, mint, coriander and paddy. These are all the examples of herbs. Okay children, today homework for you. You have to write underline words children. Okay. Okay, stem, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers and medium, thin, woody, trunk. Okay, trunk and delicate. You have to write all these underline words. Okay, you have to write each one 2 times. Bye. Take care children.